SIMI FUBARA of Rivers State breaks silence on the Supreme Court judgment. Watch it.
People of Rivers State, we are all aware of the recent Supreme Court judgment and the pronouncement regarding aspects of the lingering political dispute in our dear state. Although we disagree with the judgment, we are bound to obey the order made therein as a law-abiding government. Since inception, we have conducted the affair of government within the framework of our Constitution, due process, and the rule of law. While we are not above mistakes because we are humans, we believe that we have not, as a government, done anything deliberately to trample on the rule of law or the...
So, you see, SIMI FUBARA is a peaceful governor. If not, this kind of judgment could throw a whole state into a serious turmoil. But he's a good guy. Just watch the rest of the broadcast and I'll come back to complete my statement.
While we are not above mistakes because we are humans, we believe that we have not, as a government, done anything deliberately to trample on the rule of law or the hallowed principles of constitutional governance. Accordingly, I've had a meeting with my team of lawyers and they have assured me that the certified true copy of the judgment may be available to them by Friday, the 7th March of 2025. I assure you that upon the receipt of certified judgment, we shall study the ramification and implement them without reservation to move the state forward. Furthermore, given the outlawing of caretaker arrangements in the local government system, I hereby direct Head of Local Government Administration to immediately take over the administration of the 23 local government council, pending the conduct of a fresh election by the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission. I further direct that the outgoing local government chairman to formally hand over to the Head of Local Government Administration by Monday, the 3rd of March 2025. Although our dear state seems to be back in trying time, I urge everyone to remain calm and peacefully go about with their legitimate daily activity as we continue to do everything in our power to advance our responsibility to the citizen.
So people had the complete statement from SIMI FUBARA. You see, Supreme Court of Nigeria cannot continue to be giving laws that are inconsistent with the ones they gave in the past. If you want to maintain rule of law, you must make sure that your judgments are in sync with the old judgments that have been delivered in Plateau State, in Ogun State, and what have you. You cannot be giving out different verdicts that, suit a particular kind of system. Because if they continue doing this, they're going to bring anarchy to the people of Nigeria. So Supreme Court should tread with caution to ensure that his verdicts, his judgments are in consonance with the rule of law. Otherwise, Nigeria will go to hell. I've seen what others are not saying. You cannot continue to be given out different kind of verdicts that have no root in rule of law. There must be that semblance of rule of law in all judgments given out by Supreme Court, the appeal courts, and the lower courts, so that we don't have trouble in that society. We cannot continue to tell stories. The courts will come and dish out judgments that are not in consonance with rule of law. If it does not align with the words of the law, it's no longer a law. I stop here and have a good day.